true leader is somebody who makes you realize who you are, your unique personality, so that to make you feel comfortable in your shoes. This award is for people who have the courage to speak up for themselves, who have the courage to face their fears, their limiting beliefs about themselves, and really come into their own being. Indian landscape mushroom with entrepreneurs today who are fearless. And this is an edge that we have, that we can actually inspire the global leaders to have.
Hi, I'm Cecil from Bharat 2.0 Conclave. Today on the red carpet with us, we have Rashika Kaul, life coach, therapist, and transformation mentor. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, thank you.
So, on to the first question. How do platforms like Bharat 2.0 Conclave help amplify the impact you're trying to create?
Actually, I have to say that I'm so impressed with what this conclave is standing for, because it stands to identify what a true definition of a leader is and how to build effective leadership to take India to the next level, right? To take India to 2.0. And it really resonates with what I do, because for me, true growth begins from within. True growth is personal first.
Right.
So, what are those beliefs that you need to work on within yourself that can actually make you a good leader, make you an effective leader? Your fears, your limiting beliefs. How do you have that courage? How do you have that conviction? How do you get to be such an inspiring person that people can follow your path? Or maybe that a true leader actually is someone not who makes you follow his path. A true leader is somebody who makes you realize who you are, your unique personality, so that to make you feel comfortable in your shoes. And I am so thankful to this conclave to give that understanding to people, to be proud of who they truly are, and to recognize who they are, because no two people are the same.
Obviously.
And that makes you a beautiful leader, and therefore that synergizes really well with what I do. And
we can see, of course.
that's how and that's the answer to your question in a nutshell.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, how do you think receiving this award will motivate or inspire the team you are working with?
I think just watching, receiving the award, of course, and even watching the children who we saw today, that dance with so much of self-belief and so much of uniqueness, speaks a lot. This award is for people who have the courage to speak up for themselves, who have the courage to face their fears, their limiting beliefs about themselves, and really come into their own being, to break down the conditioning that they have had all through their childhood and how they've grown up, and to reach a stage where they are proud of who they truly are. I think for me, the award means a true award is when you have full faith and conviction in yourself, and when you believe in yourself. That's the biggest award I can give myself.
That is amazing.
So that's something which I know that all my clients will resonate with.
Definitely, of course. Moving ahead to the rapid fire. What is a book that every Indian CEO or leader must have on their desk?
Who Moved My Cheese?
Okay.
Yes, that's a book about self-introspection and leadership.
Okay.
So yes, I don't know if they'll get attracted to it, because with the title like Who Moved My Cheese, it's about two mice and their stories.
Okay.
But yes, that's from
That's
my
the book.
side. I'd recommend that.
Okay. What do you think is the biggest distraction for leaders today in one word?
Comparison.
Okay.
I think comparison is a thief. Comparison is a thief of joy.
Right. Definitely.
That's in one word.
Comparison.
Yes.
Okay. And what is that one habit that you broke to become a better leader?
Trying to be in control of everything. I thought I could control everything. I wanted to be perfect. That's something I've just let go of.
Okay, okay. The last question. If you had to write a tagline for Bharat 2.0 Conclave, what would it be?
Transforming India.
That's amazing. That is really amazing. So now I have a surprise question for you.
Okay.
Great. Okay. Could you pick a bowl from this? Okay. May I? What is the single biggest advantage Indian leaders have on the global stage right now?
I think I would like to speak about entrepreneurs.
Mm-hmm.
The single biggest advantage is their conviction in themselves.
Okay.
They'll start small, but they'll have that ability to take that risk,
Okay.
to start small and to believe in themselves.
That is amazing.
I've seen Indian landscape mushroom with entrepreneurs today who
Right.
are fearless. And this is an edge that we have, that we can actually inspire the global leaders to
Right.
have.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much. Yes.
Seen